Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce correctly, in the correct manner, this type of Italian dessert. This is pronounced panna cotta, panna cotta, panna cotta, panna cotta, panna cotta. All right, so panna is the Italian word to say cream, or more specifically, whipped cream, and cotta means cooked. So really that's what it means, cooked whipped cream. The pronunciation might be a little strange for non-natives, mostly because you have to accentuate those T's. Not only because it's a T, so in Italian that's always pronounced like a t sound, but also because you've got two, so the sound needs to be longer or stronger. Cotta. Likewise, you have two N, so it's not panna, it's panna, panna. Can you tell a difference? For Italian speakers or advanced learners who want to know how to pronounce this in standard, then panna, we don't really have to worry about it, but cotta, the O is open. O, cotta, not closed, cotta. There might be some regional varieties where that becomes closed, but in standard accent-less Italian, this would be an open O, cotta. Panna cotta. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.